First Star, a Bear and Mole Story by Will Hillenbrand. Mole gazed up. May we sleep under the sky tonight? Asked Mole. I want to see the stars turn on. We can hike to Camp Tip Top, said Bear. Will we get lost in the dark up there? Wondered Mole. No, said Bear, we'll be together. Okay, let's go, said Mole. Bear rolled, Mole stuffed, and they put on their packs. Mole climbed up, up, up. Bear picked yum, 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 and together they clambered. Then they made camp. Will it be getting dark soon? Asked Mole. Not for a while, replied Bear. I don't want to get lost in the dark, whimpered Mole. Let's go back home. I'll tell you the story of the first star, said Bear. I will tell you how to find your way. Long ago, first Father Bear, first Mother Bear, and first Baby Bear lived here. They played, they bathed, and they ate lots of berries, just like all bears. But they worried. The night was always very, very dark. They could not see. So first Little Bear helped his mother dig up white clay. They shaped it into a ball. The ball was Moon. Moon shone brightly. Look, Bear, I see a funny face on Moon, called Mole. Then first Little Bear scattered white stones into the darkness, and they became the stars. Bear, look, I see the white stones. I mean the stars, Mole chuckled. After that, first Father Bear reached up high. He pushed hard, hard, hard on one star. This star will not move, he said. It will always point north. We will never be lost in the dark. And he named it First Star. First Father Bear then made a star picture of First Little Bear. First Star became his tail. I see his tail, Mole giggled. Dark is not so dark if you know where you are, Bear said, smiling. What is that? Marveled Mole. It's flying across the sky. It's your lucky star, said Bear. Now, make a wish.